How to create new folder in Sora AI. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are gonna be learning how you can easily create a new folder in OpenAI Sora. So here is how you do it. First of all, open a web browser and type in sora.openai.com and search. You'll end up in the official homepage for Sora, from where you can go to the left-hand side menu and click on New Folder button. Enter the name for your new folder and then press enter. Once you do that, you'll see a new folder generated. Now you can organize your video projects easily. That's how you create a new folder in Sora AI. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.